Okay, we're gonna make these easy wood pumpkins, but I got all of this wood for free. So if you go to Lowe's, Home Depot near the cutting station, they have like it's scraps. They'll just be on the floor. So all of this is free. Even the big piece the guy showed me where they were the first time that I went. And so I went, I think, like two times. So I collected all this wood in two times. And I'm picking these three pieces. This is just how they were cut, how they came. And it was perfect because they are all different sizes. I'm just going to sand them down, take off some of the splintering and get rid of all of the rough edges. But this is so great because I love those wood decor pieces, and it's great because it was free. I don't know what types of wood you can get, but it's just whatever they cut in the cutting station, the little scraps. So I'm gonna paint this first one with this nice like orange spice color. I love this one right here. It is so great for fall. You get these from Walmart. They're like less than $1. I think they're like 50, 60 cents for them. You're going to paint around all of the sides, the top, and the back. You don't have to paint the bottom because it will be sitting on the bottom. I'm just going to do one coat on mine just to give it just some coverage, kind of a rough look. And then now for the second one, I'm going to do a spring green, which I also think is great for fall. Even though it said spring, it just really is a nice color for fall. And you can add a little extra distressing if you want at the end and do a little sanding. And then this one right here, I'm going to do in a toasted marshmallow. This is another one of my favorite colors for just about every season. But you can see this one goes on nice and light. And then once those dry, or while they're drying, so it takes some ribbon. I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. So it's like a wired ribbon. I have some twine. I'm going to cut a few pieces of that. I also got that from Dollar Tree. And then just some strings and other ribbons in different colors that you might want to play with. You can do this in so many different ways. I have this mesh ribbon. You can use ribbon, you can use scrap fabric, you can use so many different things, but I'm gonna do a messy bun. I found this on one of my pages, and this is, I mean, great for me because I do not know how to do a bow. So a messy bow is perfect for me, but I'm just gonna stack the pieces together and you can just play around with it and have it however you want it to look. And like I said, this is also great to do with scrap fabrics because it plays into that whole messy look. So I'm stacking some of the string and the twine on top of the green ribbon there, and then some on top of the orange ribbon. Just making sure everything is laying out nice. It doesn't have to be neat because it is messy. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to cut another piece of twine just to tie everything together. You can also finish this off with like something cute in the front, but it doesn't, you don't really need to. So I'm just scrunching those pieces together. If I was using more ribbon, I wouldn't have laid those in there like that. I would just layer them and pull them all out. But I'm just going to tie that up with a couple of knots. So I went around a couple of times and just finished that off. And then once I was done tying it in the knot, I just played around pulling everything out into place. And then some of the pieces were a little bit longer, like on the white pieces, than I wanted it to be. So I just went and trimmed off any extra because I didn't want them to be wider than the actual wood pieces. And then I'm taking these wood stumps that I have, I'm going to glue those to the top there. You can use a lot of different things for your tops, your stumps of your little pumpkins. I'm doing that. And then I'm going to glue down the bows on top of there. You can also tie these around the actual stump. You can do this in so many different cute ways. I'm just going to add some Spanish sea moss also from Dollar Tree and just put that on top. Once I get done placing it around how I want it to be, you can just hot glue that down. It is so easy and so simple. These are like great decor pieces and they're just so easy and simple to do. And I love that I got the wood for free. If you like, please give it a big old thumbs up and follow for more easy, fun, fall and other holiday and seasonal DIYs.